Hello guys, my name is Shomen and I'm your instructor for the course of Adobe Premiere Pro Beginner to Expert. In the course of Adobe Premiere Pro Beginner to Expert, you are going to learn everything about Adobe Premiere Pro from the basic to advanced level. After completion of this course, you will be realized that you have learned a lot about Adobe Premiere Pro. I would like to congratulate you all who have joined this course. I think you have made a best decision to learn about video editing in Adobe Premiere Pro. To make a stunning video, Adobe Premiere Pro is one of the best software in the world and it is a industry standard software. If you learn the Adobe Premiere Pro properly, then you can create amazing videos. I will suggest you to stay with me till the end of this course to learn properly in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you again for joining this course. Stay with me to learn step by step video editing in Adobe Premiere Pro.